US hospitals are being overwhelmed as the country sets new records in COVID-19 cases. In recent days, 2 states have surpassed 1 million infections, while the national death toll is nearing 250,000.
From Minnesota to Maine, Washington to Wisconsin, at least 17 states are now reporting all-time highs of patients hospitalized with coronavirus. Nationwide, a record-breaking 67,000 people are in the hospital.
COVID was definitely one of my biggest fears, and it came true.
Andrea Cortez has tested positive, along with 15 other members of her family in El Paso.
It was a domino effect. My uncle got my grandfather got my grandmother got my mom and my uncle.
Mortality rates are not as high as the number of new cases coming in. Doctors say that's largely because they've gotten better at treating the virus, but warn, don't let that fool you.
People need to understand that it's cases, hospitalizations, and unfortunately deaths eventually. And even though the mortality rate is better, the more people come in, the more this goes unabated. There's just going to be a lot of dark days.
In recent days, at least 30 states have already logged a record number of COVID-related fatalities, with the U.S. death toll now pushing past 243,000. On Thursday, California joined Texas, becoming just the second state to surpass 1 million infections. While in Massachusetts, where more than 10,000 people have already died, the latest outlook is bleak.
Since Labor Day here in Massachusetts, cases have increased by 7 times, and over the same period of time, hospitalizations have increased by 2 times.
Wisconsin is another hot zone. The number of new daily cases there now surpassing New York City's spring caseload at the height of the pandemic.